What if you could animate smooth 2D characters by drawing just a few keyframes and see the results instantly? Today I'm showcasing Grease Pencil Auto Interpolate, an add-on for Blender 4.3 Plus that gives your traditional animation workflow a serious boost. The real advantage isn't about replacing that handcrafted feel. And of course, automatic interpolation for 2D animation is nothing new. Software like Moho, Toon Boom Harmony, and After Effects have offered this for years, but having it inside Blender genuinely makes me smile. What used to take constant back and forth tweaking, to now watching it update live as you scrub the timeline. When you can preview the in-betweens as they happen, you make better creative decisions. You experiment more and iterate faster. Draw your key poses, hit one button, and watch interpolation fill in all the gaps automatically. And again, happening in real time as you animate. It works with multiple layers simultaneously, handles different stroke counts intelligently, and maintains a performance-optimized cache so even complex animations run smoothly. A stroke guiding system has been introduced in the latest version. In auto mode, it automatically advances to show you the next stroke to draw as you work. In manual mode, you can cycle through specific strokes for precise control. See the red and blue overlay lines? That's showing you the exact strokes from your previous and next keyframes as you draw. You can add new drawings while seeing exactly how they'll connect to your existing animation. It's important to draw them in order so the algorithm knows which strokes to interpolate to and from. Designed for a flexible, non-destructive workflow, the add-on only shows interpolation when you're scrubbing or playing, so you work clean and preview smooth. When you find a frame you love during interpolation, just hit Bake Current Frame and it becomes a permanent keyframe, ready for further refinement. The Refresh Cache feature is basically your Make It Perfect Again button. Sometimes, when you've made lots of edits, or working with complex animations, the cache might need a reset to stay in sync. This tells the add-on, forget everything, and recalculate the interpolation using the current keyframe edits. The add-on interpolates multiple parameters simultaneously: position, opacity, stroke width, and here's where it gets really interesting: Bezier handle interpolation. If you're using Blender 5.0 with that new pen tool that lets you draw Bezier curves directly, this becomes incredibly powerful. Grease Pencil Auto Interpolate. Grab it from the links below.